GTA 6 PlayStation is now available. This graphic is phenomenal. What's up guys, welcome back. GTA pre-order is now available. When you scroll side down, you will see Ultimate Edition, an exclusive collection for items. Also we have here Vintage Vice City pack, we come for that later. Just move down to media and you will see media artwork. Just see all and explore Vice City beyond. You will see Rockstar just give us 11 videos here, just like little short clips. You can play it here, just press play. And we have this scene for free. You can download all these videos, just click here, download all. Rockstar gave us a free video scene. Also you can see here all these videos. We have here 11 videos, all cool videos from game. This is IShowSpeed. Okay, move here back and move here to screenshot. We have 70 pics here. Just go see them all. Photos from GTA 6. You can download this and use as wallpaper. All cool pics from game. You can download them for free. Rockstar gave us a cool wallpaper. You can easily download all these photos and use them on your phone and on your PC. What game looked like inside? This graphic is phenomenal. Just explore all picture guys. And you have also here Ultimate Edition benefits. 51 picture for game. What do you get for this edition? Really cool photos from game guys. You can get, but you need to buy this edition. We come for that later guys. Ultimate Edition benefits. After videos, screenshots. Also move down, we have these Ultimate Edition benefits. 51 photos from game when you purchase this edition. Also we have here Vintage Vice City pack. You can download all these photos for free and get it on your wallpaper. This is what you get in this pack guys. When you purchase this Vice City pack, you can get this all in game, like this car, this cool gun and cool outfits. And after that move here to artwork and wallpapers, also 20 pictures. Just go see them all. You have here official cover art, Jason and Lucia, and these in-game photos look so cool guys. Okay, after exploring all these guys, free videos, free wallpapers from GTA 6 game, we move now to homepage on Rockstar. And move down here to Ultimate Edition Vintage Pack, what you get and what is the deal. Just open Ultimate here pack, learn more, and you have also here preview what you get in game after you purchase GTA 6 Ultimate Edition. You can watch this like photo view, just scroll with your mouse. You get this cool car, Hawk and Morgan revolvers, cool skin styles, Jason's safe house bicycles, custom cars, hair salon, and much cool things you get guys after purchasing this Ultimate Edition. When we talk about Ultimate Edition, when we go here to Xbox site, you will see Ultimate Edition cost $100. This is legit price to get these custom things in game if you are really fan of GTA 6. Also as you can see guys, the same price is on PlayStation. It's also $100. Just click here pre-order, just like on Xbox now, and you get game. Just choose here what you want, Ultimate or Standard Edition, log in on your account and go here pre-order. Purchase the game. Just click pre-order on PlayStation and pay for your game. Game cost with all these bills, $109. When we move here to Vintage Vice City pack, you will see you can also get these custom things in game, like these cool old cars, custom guns and custom styles. When you move back here to Xbox site, you will see Standard Edition cost $80 and you get the base game and that's it all. But if you drop $100 for this Ultimate Edition, you get these all custom things, guns, skins, all free these cool things in game. And yeah guys, that's the cool things that we get on GTA 6. Free videos, free wallpapers, 3 edition of games. That's the GTA 6 pre-order. Also remember guys, there is no PC version for now and the physical box won't have a disc inside. I think the Ultimate Edition is worth $20 more for these store mode items. Let me know in comments guys what you're buying and smash the subscribe button and I see you in the next video.